Little space haul. Okay, so this is what I got. These fruit snacks things. We ignore this. This is something I've had for a while. Sorry, I'm really bad at recording this. Got these little gummy things. They're not very chewy, unfortunately. Got them from Dollar Tree. Okay. We got this cool clippy thing. Just cool clip. I was wearing it in my hair not too long ago, actually. It's really cute. And actually fluffy. Like, and soft. Really soft. I got this bow. It's adorable. I got it from Dollar Tree too. I got scrub brush. Another scrub brush. And soap. Just a mini thing of soap. So, all from Dollar Tree. Kids cold pack. It's literally just like squishy with Orbeez in it. It's nice. Let's put it in the fridge. It's currently cold actually because it's cold outside. Got some snacks. I already ate one, unfortunately, so I can't show you that one. Got some hand sanitizer. Apparently it's supposed to be lavender scented. These antibacterial hand wipes. Pretty useful. It says strawberry shortcake scented. I'm not sure about that yet. The Stitch bubble bath thing. It says it's mango scented. It's fun. Cute little BPA free cup. I have other cups. I just thought I'd grab a water bottle for times that I'm going out. A puzzle. Because who doesn't need a Rainbow Dash puzzle? It's super easy to do. All of this is from Dollar Tree, by the way. Oh, and fluffy knee-high socks that are Reese's themed. Because Reese's are amazing, and I want fluffy knee-high socks. It was these are Christmas socks, and it's not yet Christmas. It's Halloween time. So, go with these. They're adorable. And pink.